Hello everyone, we are glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and in today's video I would like to demonstrate that you can create a new Skype account on an iPad. Well, I do not have an iPad device on my hands just yet, but in this case the procedure will be pretty much the same on any iOS based device, so I'll use the iPhone, which should work just as well. So at the sign in Skype page, tap at the use another account option, or well, sign up for it at least. From here, if you do not have the Microsoft account, sign up for one. So go for the create one option, because obviously in modern Skype you do not have like the separate Skype account, you just use your Microsoft account for general purposes, or you use your general purpose Microsoft account, should I rather phrase it. In here, while creating an account, you will need to choose between linking it to your phone number or email address. I'll go with email address option. Then let me quickly check what was my email address that I want to use. So here it is. Then we'll enter it. Next. Then create a password that you will use. Click at the next button. Onwards, enter your name, surname, set your date of birth, then you'll receive the verification code on the earlier mentioned email address. So open your email inbox. Already, yep, seems like I've entered my email address wrong, as you can see. So let me change the email address real quick over here. So it's going to be this one, test. Already, now we'll open our email inbox here as our verification code, that is 8157 in my case. Click at the next button. Now we'll need to solve this puzzle, which okay, here it is. So the square that I'm looking for is this one. We have successfully confirmed the fact that, well, we are not a robot, which is great, I would assume. And here we have our Microsoft account and Skype profile, as you can see, that is tied to or linked to this Microsoft account. So that's how you can sign up for a Skype account or create a new Skype account on an iOS based device, and iPad in particular. Alrighty, so thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.